Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. Welcome guys to each channel Mathematics Warehouse. Are you feeling good? I hope so. Today we have solving a checkpoint on the material covered. First question, use the timetable below. We have here a relation between x and y. X is 4 when y equals 1, x is 8 when y equals 2, x is 12 when y equals 3, and x is 16 when y equals 4. 4 and 1. 4 to be 1. Maybe we subtract 3 or divide by 4. Subtract 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3 equals 5, but this not 5. Divide by 4. 8 divided 4 equals 2. 12 divided 4 equals 3. 16 divided 4 equals 4. So the relation here, y equals x divided by 4. So we can choose C. Second question, which equation is shown? Okay, take any point on this graph. For example, this point. This point coordinates are 4 and 2. So you have x equals 4 and y equals 2. Now substitute in each given equation. First, if you put here x equals 4, so 4 minus 6 equals negative 2, and this 2. If you put here x equals 4, so 6 plus 4 equals 10, but this 2. If you put here x equals 4, you have 6 minus 4 equals 2, so maybe this is right. If you put here x equals 4, it will be 6 times 4 equals 24, not 2. So maybe the answer is C. Let us take another point and check. For example, this point. This point coordinates are 6 in x and 0 in y. If you put here x equals 6, it will be 6 minus 6, 0. So it's right. So the answer here is C. Another question. Solve the equation below. 4n equals 49. Here the operation is multiplication, and we said the inverse operation of multiplication is division. Because we have 4n, 4n means 4 times n. Okay, so we have to divide both sides by 4. So n equals 49 divided by 4. We can use long division to find the quotient. 49 divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 equals 1. 1 times 4 equals 4. Subtract 0. Bring down next digit 9. Now 9 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. Subtract equals 1. Still we have remainder. So put point 0. The point would be up and 0 would be down. Now 10 divided by 4 equals 2. 2 times 4 equals 8. Subtract equals 2. Put 0 again and bring it down. Now 20 divided by 4 equals 5. So the answer is n equals 12.25. Another question. Brittany's mom is making hot dogs for the school picnic. The hot dogs comes in packages of 24. The buns come in packages of 16. She wants to buy an equal number of hot dogs and buns. What is the least number of packages of each that she should buy? Here we have to find the LCM between 24 and 16. 24 from timetable, it's 3 times 8. 3 is prime, but 8 is not, which is 2 times 4. 4 can be written as 2 times 2. 16 is 2 times 8. 2 is prime, but 8 is not, which is 2 times 4, and 4 can be written as 2 times 2. So we can write 16 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 4 times, and 24 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. So the LCM is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3. Which equals 48. 48 equals how much of 42? Equals 2 of 42. And how much of 16? It's 3 of 16. So the LCM is 48, and 48 is 2 packages of hot dogs and 3 packages of buns. So we have the answer here, C. Another question, the graph of the equation y equals x plus 3 passes through which point? Here we have each point is x and y. So we will substitute with x and y in the equation y equals x plus 3. First one, when x equals negative 3, so negative 3 plus 3 equals 0, not 1. So this point is not answer. This point, when x equals negative 1, so negative 1 plus 3 equals 2, but this not 2, so this is not answer. When x equals 3, 3 plus 3 equals 6, not 5, so this not answer. When x equals 2, 2 plus 3 equals 5, so this is the answer. Next question, what is the value of y when x equals 4 in the equation y equal negative 3x plus 12? Here we have to substitute with the given value of x4 in the given equation y equals negative 3x plus 12. So y equals negative 3 times 4 plus 12. Negative 3 times 4 equals negative 12. So negative 12 plus 12 equals 0. So the answer here, y equals 0. Next question, what is the least common multiple of 12 and 15? As we said, we have many ways to find the least common multiple between two numbers. Using prime factorization, 12 is 2 times 6, which is 2 times 3. 15 equals 3 times 5. Both are prime. So we can write 12 as 2 times 2 times 3, 15 as 3 times 5. Now LCM, take 1 from each column. So it's 2 times 2 times 3 times 5, which equals 60. So the answer here is 60. Next question, true or false? All prime numbers are odd numbers. Of course, this is false. That's why, because we have 2, 2 is the only even prime number. Next question, all odd numbers are prime numbers. Of course not, because we have 9 is odd number but not prime because it has 3 factors, 1 times 9 and 3 times 3. It has 1, 3 and 9. Also 21, it has 1 times 21 and 3 times 7. 27, it has 1 times 27 and 3 times 9, and so. So this is false. We have here a question, the greatest common factor of 24 and 8 and the least common multiple of 24 and 8. To find greatest common factor and least common multiple at the same time, we can use prime factorization. 24 is 3 times 8, which is 2 times 4, which is 2 times 2. And 8 is 2 times 4, which is 2 times 2. Now, can you write 8 as 2 times 2 times 2, and 24 as 2 times 2 times 2 times 3? So, the greatest common factor, you take the common, which are 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. The least common multiple, you would take one from each. So it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 3, which equals 24. So the greatest common factor is 8 and the least common multiple is 24. I wish you all the best. If you have any question, write in comments. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. See you.